student,
I
I'll understand
science by
experiments
experiments
and activities.
and activities.
I will maintain discipline
I'll maintain discipline
while learning science.
while learning science.
I will not blindly believe
I will not blindly believe
superstitions.
superstitions.
I will make scientific attitude
I will make scientific attitude
as a habit.
as a habit.
I will keep my
I will keep my
surroundings clean.
surroundings clean.
I will protect
I will protect
environmental balance.
environmental balance.
I will share
I will share
my gained scientific knowledge
my gained scientific knowledge
to my country's people.
to my country's people.
I will do hard work
I will do hard work
to bring our country
to bring our country
in first place
in first place
in the field of
in the field of
science and technology.
science and technology.
All over the world,
All over the world,
I pledge for these things.
I pledge for these things.
वर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Do you know why we all are gathered here today?
Yes, it is because today is National Science Day. We celebrate National Science Day to commemorate the discovery of the Raman effect by Nobel laureate and the physicist C.V. Raman on this day in the year 1928.
C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize in 1930 and the Bharat Ratna in 1954 for the Raman effect.
Well, do you know about C.V. Raman?
Of course, how can I not? He's an inspiration for many.
Well, how about you tell us more about him?
Sure. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was born in Tiruchirappalli, Madras, British India on 7 November 1888. He was born to Tamil Brahmin parents and he was a precocious child. He topped the bachelor's degree examination from the University of Madras with honors in physics from the Presidency College. His first research paper on diffraction of light was published in 1906 while he was still a graduate.
Wow, that is so inspirational.
Yes, but I do really wonder what might have motivated him to find the Raman effect.
On his first trip to Europe, seeing the Mediterranean Sea motivated him to find about the blue color of the sea. Well, Anna, do you know more about any other great scientists?
Yes, do you know the first female doctor of Western medicine?
No, who is she?
Well, it is none other than Dr. Anandi Gopal Rao Joshi. She is the first doctor of medicine, first female doctor of Western medicine. She was born on 31st March 1865.
In 1865, but that was the time where women were not supported.
Yes, Dr. Anandra Gopal Rao Joshi was supported by her husband. She was married at the age of 9 to Gopal Rao Joshi, a widower, almost 20 years senior. At the age of 14, she gave birth to a boy, but the child unfortunately died just 10 days later due to the lack of medical care.
Wow, that turned out to be really unexpected.
But do you know who supported her in the US? A person named Theodosia Carpenter saw Anandibai's inspiration and the support of her husband and supported her with her studies in the USA.
After all this effort, she must have lived happily as a doctor.
Unfortunately, no. She died due to tuberculosis just the next year on 26 February.
Oh, Anna, do you know the missile woman of India?
Yes, Ceci Thomas, I do know about her.
You got it. Tessie Thomas was born in April 1963, is an Indian scientist and Director General of Aeronautical Systems, and she was the former project director of Agni-4 missile in the Defense Research and Development Organization. She was named after Mother Teresa and grew up near Tuba Equatorial Rocket Launching System Station, and she even says that her fascination towards rockets and missiles began then. And she even credited her hometown and her mother for her personal development, and during her college and school days, she participated in extracurricular activities which included political issues. She joined the Defense Research and Development Organization in the year 1988 and worked on the designs and developments for the new generation's ballistic missile Agni. She was later appointed by the APJ Abdul Kalam for the Agni project. She even received the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for her contribution for making India self-reliant in the field of missile technology. Recently in 2018, she became the General Director of DRDO.
It's been really good talking to you, Samantha. Thank you for sharing your information with me. I hope to catch up with you later.
Okay, bye.
I just want to ask you a small question, like, we all know about science, do we? Yes, that's great. Can you just give some, instance from morning to evening in your day-to-day life, in your normal day-to-day life? in which parts of your life is associated with science? Can you just give a quick thought on it?
Sleep at night. Within this daytime, where is science? Very good. Electricity is a form of science because in day-to-day life we are using it. So it is one of the inventions of science. Anything else now? You got a clue now. Yes.
Heat. Heat. What heat is that?
Solar energy.
Yes, we are getting solar energy and we are turning it to our requirement. That is also an invention of science. Good. Next. Eating food. What kind of food we need to eat? Very good. Balanced diet, healthy food, nutritious food. You need to take an amount of carbohydrates, nutrients, vitamins, and all these are required for our body. And this all to be maintained into a nutritious, balanced diet. Very good. Very good. Next. What is it? Gravitational force. Yes, that is also associated. Because of that only we are all standing like this today. Otherwise we might have been flying in the air. Computer. Very good. Computer and AI technology. Yes. Yes. To wake up from the bed even you need muscular force to get up from the bed. So I asked you right from the bed. Yes, very good. Very good. The pencil you are using to write, it needs graphite. It is made of graphite. Speaking. Just to realize that science is so much associated with our lives. Without science, we cannot live a moment of our life. Do you accept on this statement? Yes. Because everything we do is associated with science. And we can draw everything, somehow it is related to science. So we all should know that life is nothing but science. So with this science, you all need to grow up, keep up your curiosity and bring out some inventions which can be beneficial for the future generations, not just human beings, but for all the living beings. Because we are all sharing this planet along with other living beings too. So we all need to take care not to hurt any other living being in this planet. I hope you all will grow up with more curiosity and you will become big renowned scientists that can bring up more and more inventions that will be helpful for our earth. So I wish you all the best. So the participation you have taken is a very good step. Keep your curiosity on. Think of everything, what it is happening, how it is happening. Questioning is the first key to your scientific quest. So wish you all the best and thank you.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. టీచర్స్ అందరూ చాలా కష్టపడి చాలా బాగా అరేంజ్ చేశారు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. జనరల్గా మన లైఫ్లోని మ్యాథ్స్ అండ్ సైన్స్ ఈ రెండు లేకపోతే మన లైఫ్ లేదు. సో ప్రతిదీ కూడా మీకు తెలుసున్నా సరే ఆ సమయానికి మీకు గుర్తు రాదు. మనం పడుకున్న దగ్గర నుంచి లేచి మళ్ళీ రాత్రి పడుకున్న వరకు కూడా మన లైఫ్లో ఈ రెండు చాలా ప్రాముఖ్యాన్ని వహిస్తుంది. చాలా మంది షేర్ చేశారు, ఇంకా కొంతమందికి అవకాశం లేక మీ ఒపీనియన్ షేర్ చేయలేదు. సో ప్రతిదీ కూడా సైన్స్ అండ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ రెండు కలిపితేనే మన లైఫ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, మన మూమెంట్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్. దాంట్లో లేదంటూ ఏమీ లేదు. మనం తినే ఫుడ్ దగ్గర నుంచి మనం లేచి కూర్చొని మళ్ళీ లేచి వాక్ చేస్తున్నామంటే ప్రతిదానికి సైన్స్ రిలేటెడ్గా అన్ని ముడిపడి ఉంటాయి. సో మ్యాక్సిమం మీరందరూ కూడా మీ సొంత ఆలోచనలతోటి ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ కూడా ఏదో ఒక ఆలోచన చేయబట్టే మనం ఈ పొజిషన్లో ఉన్నాం. ఒక డ్రెస్ తయారు చేయొచ్చు, ఒక హెయిర్ స్టైల్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ప్రతిదీ కూడా ఒక ఐడియా, స్కిల్ ప్రతిదీ కూడా డెవలప్ చేసుకొని వెళ్తున్న కొద్దీ ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఒక్కొక్క సైంటిస్ట్ అయ్యే అవకాశం కూడా ఉంటుంది. దీంట్లో ఎవరు ఏంటవుతారన్నది కూడా మీ ఆలోచన విధానాన్ని బట్టి ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది. సో ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్. మీ ఫ్యూచర్ అంతా కూడా జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రతి ఒక్కటి మొహమాట పడద్దు. మీ మనసులో ఉన్న భావాన్ని వ్యక్తపరచండి. రైట్ ఆ రాంగ్ అనేది తర్వాత మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. రాంగ్ అయితే రెక్టిఫై చేసుకుంటాం, రైట్ అయితే మీరే ఒక క్రియేటర్ అవుతారు. సో ప్రతిదీ కూడా ఆలోచన చేయండి, సొంతంగా ఎదగడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి. డెఫినెట్ గా మీరు సక్సెస్ అవుతారు. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. వన్స్ అగైన్ అందరికీ కూడా నేషనల్ సైన్స్ డే శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Good morning, everyone. I just want to talk to you regarding, I want two things from you all. To become inquisitive and curious. Now what is inquisitive and curious? These are two things which bring scientific temper with us. You know, we say the fashion trend. So let's change the fashion trend and make it as a scientific trend by all the time asking from us as a question why and how. How do we do it? Let's ask the question always. So if you remember, children, don't think any time in yourself saying that, oh, I'll make a mistake. Don't worry. Do you see a pencil has got an eraser at the end? Why do we put erasers? To correct. Isn't it? To correct. So let's make mistakes but correct ourselves. So when you learn the method to correct yourself, we all will become inquisitive and curious. So we are celebrating this day, making ourselves as why, how, that is called as being inquisitive and curious. So thanks a lot, wishing you, and wait for the still some activity and the event is yet there. So let's see, we have the best here. Thank you and wishing all the department.
Okay, instead of plantation of trees, seed balls, children have prepared seed balls. So seed balls and seed bombs also they have prepared. So we can just save our Mother Earth from deforestation. We can carry that. Nowadays we are staying in the very big flats only. How the year it runs, that is plant one everyone. So that is how we purchase the new dresses for the festivals and birthdays. Like that, it was instructed to every child that whenever they are purchasing new dress for their birthday, they have to plant one. They have to purchase a plant and they have to plant that on their birthday. So that very happy I am announced that most of the children and most of the teachers also they have followed this and they have planted, and those pics are there which we will later display that. So if possible later. So here the light is little low, that's one. The dresses, birthday on birthday, whatever the dresses they have purchased and that only. So I am very happy that everyone is following whatever teachers have instructed. So to save the nature. Okay. Now I would like to call Mrs. B. Umamaneshwari Madam to announce the prizes. As a part of science week activities, we have conducted 2 competitions for all the classes right from class 1 to 8. In that spelling, science marathon, be the one, poster making, quiz, electrocution and smart scientist. Spell meaning from the textbook only, because first we have to finish off the textbook, then only we can explore the things. That's why from the textbook all the spellings teachers have answered. Next, science marathon for 7th and 8th classes, where it was included with 7th class all the elements and compounds. They have to run and they have to write that. This is one of the activities